अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, इस वक्त मैं अबाउट टाइम काफ़ी पे हूँ और आपको दिखाते हैं कि ये कैसे काफ़ी बनाते हैं। मैनहट्टन न्यूयॉर्क में ये फैशन एवेन्यू और 7th एवेन्यू पे है और 30 स्ट्रीट पे। Yeah, that one is the coffee.
About time
Coffee. Yeah, it's nice. It's so clean, nice, and very fresh coffee.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
Special treated us,
Yeah.
and she's my neighbor.
Thank you.
How long you are open? Your store?
Let's see over here.
Last 8 years?
Yeah.
And how many cups you sell every day?
Today this shop is around almost 400. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so what the people response is very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. That one is for me.
Yes.
That one. Okay, you. How you?
You want me
close
to open this?
Yeah.
Want me to open this?
Yeah. She make the special for us.
This is
And,
just
yeah.
cool.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
Okay.
More straws.
I request the New Yorkers, if you come to visit the New York, you can come and get the special coffee from here.
Yeah, thank you.
And what's your name?
Marianne.
Okay, and meet to her and
Raymond.
okay, nice to see you. It's so good. Okay, it's nice, clean, and very beautiful shop. You have the special that's the cycles. That's good, and the setting of the shop is so nice. Okay, thank you so much. Nice to see you. This is the coffee shop. So nice, very busy.
Bize mukadder ben Rohit Pasiki. Ne bulacağım burada?
It's on the West 30th Street and Fashion Avenue, 7th Avenue. Yeah. Whenever you come, you can try the coffee. It's so good. See over here? Very nice.